Alright, so here we have a trapezoid that we're trying to find the perimeter of. And that slanted side here should be completed there, but that slanted side is a giveaway for using Pythagorean theorem. Anytime we need to set up a triangle and find a missing side, we're going to try to set up a right triangle so that we can use a squared plus b squared and find RC. Anytime you're missing a slanty side, you know that you have to be using Pythagorean theorem. That's what I'm saying. This side has a slope to it that's not just going straight across, it's not just going straight up and down, it's slanted in some way. That means I must use Pythagorean theorem in some way. Really, that's the only side I need to find. I have this, I have that, I have that. That's three of my sides. I'm just missing that slant. So, to find that, I really need to think about that triangle. What is my A and what's my B? The B is a little bit easier to find. So, the B in this rectangle, that has to be 16. So, I'm using 16 for the bottom of that triangle. The right side, I know the whole thing is 18, but I don't want to use 18 for just this part of it. I know the entire thing is 18. And I know that this section is 11. So if that part is 11, because that's a rectangle, then the extra part that gets us up to a full 18 has to be 7. So this side is 7, and that actually tells me the height of my triangle that I created. That part has to be 7. So now I'm going to use, I'm going to redraw that. That part is 7. Now I'm going to use Pythagorean theorem to find that missing side. I'm going to use a squared plus b squared equals c squared. I have my two short sides. I'm missing that c. So I have 7 squared plus 16 squared equals some c squared that I'm about to find. That's 49 plus 256 equals c squared. Then you add those together and take the square root of that number. So the square root of 305 would give you 17.46. I'm going to leave it like that. It does not round up. So 17.46 is that final side. Now I can finish the problem by adding these together. That, and that. Those are the 4 sides of that trapezoid, which gives me 62.46.